Armstock i den kategori.
Ever seen tractors race against gravity? 3,60 Supersportklasse Schwadernau 2013 flips the script. Held in the Swiss town of Schwadernau, this 2013 event challenges machines to drag massive sledges as far as possible. It's part sport, part spectacle. With high torque action and every gear working overtime, this video pulls you right into the heart of the thrill. The T150 was successfully started via the starter, in conditions reaching -25 degrees Celsius. While the process was not immediate, it proved feasible. Performance can be improved by addressing fuel system inefficiencies and using higher-grade lubricants in both the engine and transmission. Incorporating a coolant preheater and glow plug will further ease cold starts. Additionally, fuel quality and battery charge are critical contributing factors. Whoa, check this out. It's like a mini beast on wheels. Looks like a diesel-powered tractor, built tough with those huge tires so it can cruise right over mud and soft ground. I wonder what kind of job it's made for. Farming? Construction? Either way, it looks pretty awesome.
Dobra, wystarczy!
A wheelie occurs when pulling torque exceeds the tractor's center of gravity balance. In this case, an upward vector from a low hitch point, combined with the boat's heavy mass, creates a reactive force that lifts the front end. This is a common error caused by misjudging load distribution and lacking a proper counterweight. Not just driving that tractor, he's tearing up the rulebook. Total madman on the move. Ready for some raw horsepower action? It's T40 versus Belarus in a tractor tug-of-war battle. Think you can guess the winner? Cast your vote now. This is what a day in the woods looks like with an IMT 577. No fluff, just raw power and smart design. It's small enough to move around easily, but strong enough to pull heavy timber. It's built tough, with solid weight and a low center of gravity. Perfect for forest work, just as reliable in the fields. Oh, I think if it was a four-wheel drive, 3 tractors would come out in a flash.
Оперный театр.
Can you believe it? A tractor ripped in half, and it's still moving. Meet the K700, Russia's unstoppable farming force. Engine, cab, transmission, all up front. Even split, this Soviet monster powers through. You hear that roar? That's Luke Benz from Giel, tearing through cornfields in a New Holland T7070. When this machine moves, everyone notices. Crazy, right? Listen to the Zetor 7245 turbo tackle that incline. The turbo sound kicks in just right, giving you that clean, crisp boost you'd expect from this model. That's the Zetor difference. I couldn't believe what I saw. A tractor pulling a full-sized combine right through a river. No hesitation. One unforgettable moment of sheer determination. Clearly an operator fail. And next time, use the handbrake. Disaster struck the Mitsubishi L200. Not one, but two rescue attempts failed. The machine stood stranded, abandoned by fate and fortune alike. The Belarus MTZ-920. Turbo demonstrates exceptional performance as it navigates through challenging swamp terrain with ease and efficiency. That's no ordinary tractor, it's a monster. Pulling a Kamaz uphill? That's seriously impressive. If you found this video fascinating, make sure to like and subscribe for more updates. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you on the next adventure with Forestry Tech.